YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day. I'm selling my Lexus IS 350. Welcome back to Marty Motoring. I'm in my new place. I've been painting. You can see vents are off the wall, new paints on the walls. Everything's a mess and like jammed in the center because I've been painting and just trying to get everything really nice and exactly how I like it. Kitchen still needs to be done. Living room, got my office where I edit. Master bedroom done. Living room's next. It's been a process. Home ownership's been awesome so far, but definitely comes with an extra amount of work that I didn't have before, but I'm really enjoying it so far. Got a driveway, garage, everything like that, and I can't complain. But today, I've wanted to sell my Lexus IS 350 for a few months, especially since getting the 4Runner. I didn't really drive it as much, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make this thing as perfect as it can be in a more lightly modded fashion, and then I can be able to sell it to somebody that will enjoy it. It's been well maintained, has all the service records, and we're going to transfer the title today, but first, I wanted to take you on a last drive and hopefully capture some of that sale process. So let's go. Also, this coffee's amazing. I found out about it like probably 2 years ago and it's super good. It's called Super Coffee. There's no sugar, it's got protein, only 80 calories, tastes pretty much like Starbucks, but nothing like bad in it. It's awesome and I pretty much drink it a lot because it has a lot of caffeine and I need it. Right, and the last startup, gotta put my seatbelt on, but it's been a great car, got all the service records and paperwork for it, and here we go. So this experience is bittersweet. I mean, I've loved this car for 3 years. I've done so much to it. I've done so much with it. I've done so many YouTube videos and started my channel pretty much with this car, and it's been great. I mean, I learned a lot. I met a lot of awesome people along the way because of this car. I have nothing but good things to say about it. As I said in my latest Instagram post, nothing is permanent, and sometimes you just have to move on. I mean, I bought a house, I have a 4Runner, I want to eventually get a different, like, fun sports car down the road, so I mean, I can't just hang on to every car. I don't have the room. I don't really want to pay the insurance on a car I don't drive. You know, I had my time with it. I had my fun with it. There's nothing else I really want to do to it. A supercharger would be pretty much the value of the car and just isn't smart. I wanted this to last for me. I want it to last for the new owner. I've seen these cars go for 250,000 to 300,000 miles. I just don't want to push this car beyond its limits and then have to buy a new engine. So it just wasn't really smart for me to spend, you know, $6,000 to $7,000 on a supercharger when that's pretty much what I'm selling the car for. It didn't make sense financially, and it's a cool idea, but it's not really practical. I know some people get really attached to their vehicles, but for me, I really like the vehicle, but you know, there's always something else out there. You know, it's just a car at the end of the day, it's a machine, and that's just the reality of it. So I can't get too attached. Started my channel, I had my time with it, but now it's time to move on to something else. Right, we stopped at CR Automotive Detailing in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, Lingelstown actually. But I stopped by there just because I didn't really have time to vacuum this out, and they do such a good job with cleaning and you know, detailing cars and cleaning them up. I usually do it myself these days, and I enjoy doing it myself, but sometimes it's just nice to pay for it and have it done by somebody that does it all the time and knows what they're doing and does it well. So the new owner will have a nice crumb-free experience. All right, so the title has been transferred. The car is now in the ownership of the new owner. Yeah. This is it. Hopefully you enjoy it.
I will.
So I'm gonna drive it one last time, and then that's it. Here it is, moment of truth. Alright guys, and we're back at home. That's it. The Lexus is gone. I didn't think this day would come so soon, but it feels good. The new owner is really gonna enjoy it. He was really excited about it, and transferred everything over. Everything went smoothly. Thanks to everybody that was interested in it. He was super upfront with everything. He was like, yeah, let's meet up. I have cash. It just made it super easy. and he bought it. He's really enjoying it. He's been looking for one for 2 years, so pretty good experience. Stay tuned for more stuff in the future. I mean, this isn't the end of Lexus stuff on my channel, just that car. I know a lot of you have followed me for that car. Hopefully you'll stick around because there's a ton of more content to come. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, keep those wheels turning.